So today we're surviving a midnight flight. I know what's gonna happen, but just watch to the end, and then you know what happens. Some creepy thing might happen, as you see here. It says horror. Yeah. Stick to the end, and you'll know what's gonna happen. Let's get into the video. So today we're in a horror game, as you know.
Dirtland.
Hello, my name is Juice. So basically, we get on an airplane. Follow me. Only 2 people. It's okay. Follow me. In here. No, leave. Don't. No. I accidentally went into the game.
Where did you go?
Wait. I'll join back.
Where did you go?
I'll join back. I accidentally went into a thing.
What is this?
Okay, where are you? Come here. Go in here. No. Go in here. 3, 2, 1. Go. Come.
I went in. Wait, what?
This one.
Where did you go?
Here.
What the?
Here.
I can't. Oh, okay, let's go then. Wait.
You're with me, right? Okay.
Maybe.
Presented by. Who is this? Star Wars.
Vardo Studios.
Oh.
I kinda don't care.
Yeah, me too.
Flashing lights. Bruh, I'm not scared of nothing.
What do you mean waiting for other players?
Yo, what? Why you write that?
Taxi?
Who the hell is that? I'ma slap his butt, not gonna lie.
Okay.
Let me go see.
Well, I think Shen reported our channel because Shen reported it in my class.
He said reporting. That doesn't mean.
No, he said, bro, I have a headless. He said he reported. Now I kinda don't care anyways.
What is this?
Night 1. Okay, let's go. Damn.
Alright. At least I'm with somebody. A banana.
Give me it.
Oh, I have Robux. Maybe we'll save that one
I'm a
later.
brokey. I just bought like 10k Roblox bucks. That time you wanted it. I'm a brokey now. I became a brokey.
What?
You must be the new person.
No, I'm not. I just joined Roblox. I didn't just join Roblox. Yo, where do I go? What's up?
Why's your voice lagging? Where do I go? What's the objective? Read the rules. What rules do I even read? Oh, this rule! Found it. No sleeping on the job. Be nice to customers. They are always correct. Clean up after yourself. If you work the night shift, beware of the disclaimer. What? What's that?
I don't know.
Beware of the disclaimer. We are not responsible. In your case, you die. What?
I don't care.
Wait, at least I can. I start a second floor. Help a customer. Oh, at least we are not even alone.
Oh, we're not alone. I'm not gonna help. I'm just gonna stand behind
What happened if we randomly just shoot the customer with a pistol?
Yo, no.
No, I'm just joking.
I want to jump scare everybody. Ooh, we can jump scare.
This is. I think this is not. I think they name it wrong. I think this is not even a horror game, but.
Help.
Well, that's help a customer on go. What is this? Sawardo Airlines to New York. A5G4 F2, 10 p.m. on time. What is that? Man, just collect the money. Dang it, bro, that girl sus. Yeah, I think Gojo is the imposter. You know. What is this?
Yeah, but can you go? Because I'm just gonna stand behind Juice.
What is this?
Bro, I don't think this is a horror game. Let me go line up too, actually. Hello, my name is Dirtland, and I need something.
I think Gojo's the imposter. Because
how
Bro would
about the
just
duck
be
at the back?
because Gojo would just be because Gojo would just be hi, Gojo, I'm from the academy, and Gojo would just blow up the daycare. You know? The thing that I opened in the first video.
I have.
Oi, nah,
Hello.
Afu's calling me.
Call him back, Nick.
Nah, was calling me non-stop. I'm making a video. Stop!
Then call him. That's okay if you want to call him.
No, but we're making a video. Okay, fine. Stop! Okay. How can I call you? I just missed. Okay, now let me go to the.
Bro, I'm literally waiting.
I'm the game. Can I please see your boarding pass? Do you have one? Oh, take ticket. Oh, is it in?
Don't give it to him. Don't give it to him. Don't press take ticket. Scan it. Scan it.
Oh, it's valid. Enjoy the flight. Okay, no. Okay, bro, you do this guy. Help customer. Just need to see the ball. Give me ticket. Take ticket. I'm just gonna put a ticket in the bin. Just joking, just joking. Let's see.
Yo, I'm just gonna stand behind Justin.
It's valid. It's valid. Okay, enjoy the flight.
Is that your crush?
No.
Just joking.
That is Sunchen girlfriend. Never mind.
No, but your name is Sunchen.
No, I'm not. My name's literally Justin.
Are you sure?
Your name's Dylan.
Okay.
Are you stupid? Let's go look at my videos on my main channel. My name's literally Justin. Hey, Gojo! Gojo Satoru, come on.
Come on.
Yeah. I think Gojo 1 will be invalid. Oh, valid. Invalid. I think some imposter will come.
Come on, Gojo.
What happens if I don't get on the plane?
Wait, actually. Come on, Justin. Come on, sit here.
Gojo's the trees.
How fast
bro.
Bro, this is not jump scary. Oh, we get to fly the
Oh, we get to fly the plane. I want to be the captain.
Ah! Joking.
Afu won't stop calling me.
Then call him back.
No, but he would just. He won't.
Don't you like Afu?
เวลาดูอาฟูไม่ยอมโทรอาฟูเอาแต่โทรเลยพี่จ๋า Please add to remove your seatbelt.
I already got off. Let me just go to.
Let me just do the devil's tangle.
Let's
give your customer food. I'm gonna give them chips. Oh, bro needs a block seat. Oh, chips. No, I'm gonna be first. You're a duck. You can't serve anything.
Alright, fine. No. Go serve first then. Yes, I got it. I got it.
Yeah, Boxy Cola. I mean, Bloxy. I'ma give the Bloxy Cola to Gojo. Because
Love Gojo is Sigma for me. Bam. I gave him first. Alright then. Bro, what was that?
ก็บอกเขาไม่ได้เหรอ
อัดวิดีโออยู่
ก็คุยบอกไปคุยเขามาแป๊บเดียวเราบอกว่ารับเราสายดีได้จะหลุดไหม
จะหลุด
ถ้ารับจากโทรศัพท์อาจจะหลุดปะ
หลุดยินบอกแล้วว่าหยุดโทรอาฟูก็ไม่หยุด
อยู่ก็ถ้าอย่างนั้นอยู่ก็พิมพ์ในไลน์สิ
พิมพ์มาแล้วอาฟูไม่บอกว่า no
Gojo don't have.
พิมพ์ไปเลยว่าเรายังไม่ว่าง
อาฟูส่ง
Give me a link from the Astral Plans official.
I already cancelled it
Oh yeah.
because we making a new channel because I made a new goal. I'm gonna sit with Gojo, my boyfriend. Just joking.
Come on, then go.
Dylan, can I ask you something?
Okay.
Is Gojo handsome for you? That guy.
No.
I think you're lying. Yeah, I think you're lying.
Why?
Prepare to learn.
Who's calling?
Afu.
อยู่ก็ให้โทรไปแล้วก็
You
ไม่
want
ต้อง
to lap the
ไม่
eye?
ต้องว่าใส่เขาแล้วก็โทรอยู่ก็ไม่ต้องสนใจก็
Hello.
พี่สาวบอกว่าหนูให้พิมพ์ในไลน์
Hello,
ไป
mister.
พิมพ์มาแล้วอาฟูบอกว่าไม่
Gojo.
จะพิมพ์ไปแล้วเหรอ
Oh, let's go out. Bro, I think this is
Yeah.
not even a horror game anymore.
I think this is just a normal game. Then we just do something.
Yeah.
Wow, it's snowy.
Wait, there's one more flight.
Wait a second, wait for me.
Okay.
One more. I'm too tired. I kinda don't care.
Wait, why is this guy standing in the ground? Oh. Help customer.
Ew!
What is this? This girl is fairy tale. She's not real. Bye bye, Gojo. No, Gojo's leaving. No,
What do
Gojo's...
we even do this game to make it scary?
Yeah. Or maybe it's this flight. I think this flight is not even gonna be scary, am I right? Bro,
I'm just waiting.
this is a literal normal game, am I right? Florida.
Yeah.
You know the Dylan, you know the Florida man thingy, right? If you search your birthday and you enter the Florida, and then some weird things will pop up. I can't show it or I'm gonna get a yellow band.
Okay. I got a discount for you. Customer, wow, thanks.
This is Sun Jun, right? And then the
Maybe.
person behind him is the N1.
Bro, I ain't doing that one.
I
You gotta
ain't
do
doing that one. I'm gonna be sad.
Bro, I said that first, so you need to do it. Haha.
No.
Bro, it's your literal
I'm gonna
crush.
close my eye. No, it's not. I'm gonna literally
Bro,
gonna
it's your
punch you.
crush.
No, it's your crush. I'm gonna close my eye doing it.
Do it then.
I
Well,
close
close
my
your eye.
eye. Oh my god. I'm gonna close my eye. I'm gonna literally close. Oh, I accidentally closed my PC for. I'm gonna close
Come
my.
on, go. Don't need to be shy.
I'm gonna close my eye. I'm not shy. You're shy. Ah. Who is
Alright,
this? Is
Spider-Man first.
this Venom?
This is
Oh, first! Fast!
Damn. Wait, where did all the money go? First. You're the best.
I wanna serve first the food. The last
No.
customer is always the best, am I right?
Yeah. I gotta go with first.
Me too. I gotta go. I gotta serve first the food since you served Gojo.
Nah, I don't. Fine. Wait, what is gonna nang with? Ui!
Nang tip!
Ui, that is actually so accurate.
Yeah, that's accurate in real life.
Alright, nah, I'm doing the help for that one. I'm gonna help
I'm
first.
gonna close my eyes. I'm not doing that one.
Fine, I'll help Shunton.
No, I'll help the.
You-
No! I accidentally pressed it.
Accidentally.
Jeep, my last is coming. No, okay,
Guys, that is also accurate in real
No!
life.
That's not.
That is.
Wait, I wanna do it for this guy. I'm gonna do it for Sun Jun.
Okay, I'm gonna do it for first. If
I'm
you
gonna
do
no,
first.
I'm gonna do it for first. You have to do the
you
next
serve-
one.
No, you
okay?
serve the food for first, and I serve for second.
You have to do the next one, okay?
No. I'm gonna hide with
Fine,
first.
I am gonna do. No.
Uy.
Dylan, just go do it in real life. If you do it, that's accurate.
Nah, I'm just gonna do it for first.
No, I'm gonna close my eyes. I'm gonna close my eyes. That. I closed my eyes. That was a pain. Ouch. I'm gonna do it for
Alright, let me
first.
just do first.
No, let me do it for first.
Can I do first?
No, I will send you to the beach if you do it for first.
ไม่นั่งเนี่ย
Alright, bet. I'm gonna go to the beach with first.
Okay, but you're gonna double stand.
มองเลยอ่ะตอนนั้น
Thank you so much first. Bro is valid.
Yes, I got first
ว่า
ticket.
ตัวไหม
God! Yes! I got it! I got it! I got it! I got it!
No, I got first ticket. I'm gonna walk
How?
with
But that is
first.
not fair.
What
Alright.
happens if they just sit next to each other in a plane? It's accurate.
Alright. Then you go
Ooh,
with me.
Nang Jeep. Look, they are stuck in the wall. First is stuck.
Damn.
Oh,
ไปข้างหลัง
look here. Come here, Dylan. Oh, Nang Jeep. No, please look. It's a rare moment.
Wait.
Oh,
What with the wood handle and you just yank first?
I got it on footage.
That is actually accurate. And
I got it on footage. They just
because you just the wood
where I got it on footage for real. They just Oh, there's one more
Alright, come
customer.
on. Let's go.
There's one
I'm
more.
gonna help.
Wait,
First, let's go.
that's a angry man right here.
Bro, I want to help first.
No one here. Wait, a ticket is invalid. Dylan, come here. A ticket is invalid. The customer said, "What? This guy fine." ... You see.
Bro is really.
Wait, come here, Dylan. Look, the ticket is invalid.
That is Kevin. Nah, just joking. Kevin's super happy.
How about the we war that boy?
Editor, cut that part.
Yeah. Let's just sit.
Bed. Bye.
อ้าวแล้วแม่ไปไหน
When we sit here, why do we always?
Huh?
Why do we always go
แม่
there?
ไปไหน
แม่จะนัด
แม่ไปไหน
ไปดูบ้านไหม Wait, we're on the plane again.
It's the flight again.
Yeah, but this time I'm gonna serve the food to first.
Come on. Come on. Come on. First, where are you?
Wait, they're all gone. Wait, oh, first is over here. I'm sitting next to first right now.
You know what? You do on everything, and I will just sit in my seat, watch you doing everything, and for Nisha and for everybody, I'm just gonna wait.
I'm gonna give a Bloxy, Cola to first, and Sunjun, and you're gonna do everything else.
Dead. Come on, quickly.
เสร็จแล้วค่ะคุณแม่
Waiting.
ดีดีถึงนอนลงไว้ไหมเด็กตัว
I'm waiting.
Can you just do it for me too?
I'm waiting.
You do it for the girls because it's accurate.
Nah, I ain't doing no nothing. I'm just gonna wait until we go sit in our seats.
Bro, the time.
Come on, quickly.
See, you have to do it with me if you do it.
Bruh, but it's kinda sus. Alright, fine. I will.
You give the chips to first.
Firsty first. Where did first go? First.
I already gave it to first, and then you have to give it to a girl.
You need to give it to others.
No, and you already have that thing. So
No, give it to the M1.
I'm gonna give the. Okay, now you give the chips.
Quickly.
Someone calling.
I know it's Apple or Dinson.
Oh yeah. Heavy breathing. You better watch your back. Uh-oh.
Who is that?
It's that crazy man with the invalid ticket.
And call. Don't care.
Yeah.
I'm gonna sit here.
I'm gonna hide here.
I'm gonna go sit with first, by the way.
By the way, I'm gonna go protect first.
Then while I sit with first. Protect me.
I'm gonna
Protect me.
Bro, let's just go sit. There's no point of protection first.
Before the time run out. What if the time run out?
Just go sit, man.
Like,
Oh, bro, this is not even a horror game anymore. It's just a fun game.
what if that man come back?
I don't know.
But I'm gonna crash.
Bro, this is just a normal thing.
Where'd you go?
This is not even a horror game.
Let me go find first.
First is coming out. Yes, first!
Let's go, dude. I'm gonna walk. Wait, no. I'm gonna go with Justin. Oops. Why don't you just go?
But right now we're at Florida.
Are you just scared of the N1?
Yes, but right now we're at Florida.
That means you can. That means you are kind of weak because you can't beat up anything.
But I
anyone.
can beat the N1 up. That time I literally pushed the N1 and the N1 literally fell to the ground. I literally pushed and then I up at the table, but we are not playing it.
Where'd you go?
Follow me.
Why? There's an arrow.
Yes, follow.
Shift.
Shift.
Where? Oh, look. Okay. Yes.
Static.
I,
Wait, my battery.
the flight.
แบตเหลือ23ไม่จ๋า
ก็ทำเบย์อยู่ไม่ใช่หรอ
ไม่เข้า Wait, no, I'm not doing it for the M1.
I'm not doing.
No, that's the N1.
Cause I love mommy.
Kaya.
I ain't doing both of them.
เข้ายัง
I'm gonna do it for
เบ
Rainbow
ย์เข้าไหม
Friends.
I'm not doing it for anyone.
I'm gonna do it for Rainbow Friends.
Do it then.
มันไม่เข้าเลยเหรอ
I'm gonna close my eyes while doing it.
Without closing eyes.
But I'm closing my eyes.
เข้ายังหยุดนะครับ
Ouch!
เข้าแล้ว
I'm not doing that.
Fine, I'm gonna do everything.
Wait a second. We are literally both doing it. Because it still says you. So let's just both do it. But it will still point at you. What?
just do it together. I'm gonna do it for. No,
Alright,
you do it.
do it then.
You do it. I
But
already
if
did.
I do it, that means it counts as, but it still counts as both of us.
Yeah.
Because it still says you are talking. Wait, why do I see your bum when you're climbing?
I don't know. I just had a big job. I'm gonna do it for this
Yeah.
guy. I'm gonna do it for him.
You do it.
Try to get out of here.
What if I just lock shift? Don't ask me where am
Answer
I.
the question. It's 136.
I'm just buying like the old man.
Oh.
Wait, the old man is behind you.
Where?
Bro, it follows you every step.
Who?
The old man is literally behind you.
Where?
Okay, anyways, let's go. Don't mind about that thing. What is the ticket is invalid for everybody?
What do you mean the
Okay,
old?
do it for blue guy.
But it still says we're doing it both together. I think it's gonna be invalid. Oh, valid.
I think this guy will be invalid, so you do it.
No, why do I have to do it?
I'ma go.
That's good because I get to do it for Rainbow Friends.
Wait. Alright, I'm just waiting for you. At least you get a dose with somebody that is not cheap.
But I am not. But I am not cheap. But first
But
did
no.
the. But first did that thing accurate in real life? Am I right?
Bro, this is accurate in real life.
No,
Go ahead.
it's not. But you're
is.
doing it too. I think the Rainbow Friend guy is gonna be invalid. You think?
Yeah. I think it's gonna be invalid. Let's check. Valid?
Wait, it's not the Rainbow Friends guy. This is the Rainbow Friends guy one. Huh?
Valid. Bro, where are the jump scares and stuff?
I don't know, but this is
Do we
not.
seriously need to play this game until there's a jump scare?
But this is not even scary.
Core.
Come sit here.
Alright, I'm gonna sit here. Wait, actually, oh. Whoops. I'm waiting. Roxy Cola. What if I just jump? Come on. But there's no jump.
You do it this round. I already do one.
Sure.
I do it for the Rainbow Friend. You do it for the girl because I did it last time.
But you didn't do it for other girls.
But I don't want
So
to.
now.
But
But you
now.
have to because it's accurate in real life.
No, it's not, bro. Can you just stop that? It's not.
What if it is?
No, at
But
first.
I just don't know.
Okay, now you do it. Do it. Just do it.
Go. Mop.
Fine, I'm gonna do it. Bro, get a Bloxy Cola. There's one more. Okay, done. No, bro, it's not that side. It's the other side. Here,
Wait a second.
this side.
I'm gonna go sit first. Shoot, I want to sit with you now. Justin, sit here.
No. Go to the
Wait, why
back.
can't we sit?
We need to go to the back of the plane.
Can't we just jump?
Yeah, we can.
Faster. Come on. You fix it?
Yeah.
Okay. Wait, what?
What the?
Is that the old man?
Yeah.
Oh, damn.
I think bro killed his
Wait,
dad.
why am I standing so near you? Wouldn't you just walk past and just went there?
We have to make an emergency landing. Go sit next to me, but
Take a seat. I'm sitting here. But actually, I'm sitting there.
bro, how are you standing?
Whoops. No!
I hate the old man. Mayday, bro.
You still recording?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm burned.
This is bad.
Let's go. Oops. Let's go in. Justin, I can't go in.
Hello.
Come on. This is not horror at all.
Use the phone to come.
There's a god.
Where's the phone? Here. Call 911.
I don't see the phone. Ringing. Remain.
Someone
Wait,
called.
where does it say remain?
What the?
Bruh. Right, Justin!
I'm just gonna watch him chase you. Why do we walk so slow?
Wait, please help!
Oh, wait. Why is he not following me? Why is he not following me?
Stop! Follow Justin!
Bro's not following you. Bro wants to keep you as a pet dog.
But I'm about to die.
And bro's following Justin.
I'm just watching you. I'm about to die. Yes!
Yes! We survived! We survived! Dylan, we survived!
Yes! Don't press lobby.
Wait for a timer. Wait for a timer to end. It's okay.
But I pressed lobby.
It's okay.
Are you here?
Wait.
still there.
Hello, my name is Juice Williams. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Now, bye.